siya, it's been a while na nagvi-video ako, nagpe-premiere ako, and then you are there. But I really did not have the time, or I really did not have the video na I am introducing myself to you guys. So, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce myself. So, yung pangalan ng YouTube channel ko is Sam and Marilu's Adventure. Kasi yung pangalan ng anak ko is Sam, and then ako naman si Marilu. So, that's why. And then, nandito kami sa Dubai, nakatira. It's been more than 12 years. So, more than 12 years. So, yung anak ko, she was only 6 months when we came here in Dubai. So, ngayon, she's already magta-13 na siya. So, it's been a while. It's been a long time. So, dito nagtatrabaho yung asawa ko sa Dubai. So, that's why andito rin kami. So, homeschool yung anak ko. And then, I am her teacher. So, that's why naisipan ko mag-vlog or gumawa ng YouTube channel kasi parang wala lang, parang may magawa din ako sa buhay ko. So, yan. So, that's the reason why. And I also wanted to take this opportunity na to say thank you to the people na tumulong sa akin so that I was able to reach my goal, or to reach my goal daw, to reach yung para ma-monetize ako in not really a faster way kasi medyo matagal-tagal din. But I wanted to say thank you sa mga tao na tumulong sa akin, that encouraged me. So first of all, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to my husband. Salamat na he supports me kahit na ayaw niya kasi shy siya. Ayaw niya na sumali sa mga kalokohan ko or sa mga videos ko. But he supports me in a different way. Binibilhan niya ako ng mga gamit ko to vlog, like phone or laptop or whatever, like yung mga microphone, mga ganon. So in other ways, he shows his support towards me sa mga bagay na binibili niya or binibigay niya sa akin in order for me to make my videos. So I would like to take that opportunity or this opportunity to say thank you to him for the love and support that he has given me. Ganon. So next, ang pangalawang tao na gusto kong pasalamatan ay isa kong kaibigan. So we've been friends for the past 11 years. So dito ko siya nakilala sa Dubai, and naging good friends kami, and then we separated ways. But then kung yun, 'di ba, yung may mga kaibigan ka na kahit na hindi kayo palaging nag-uusap or nagkikita, but then the friendship remains. So, yan yung kaibigan ko. So, she is Teresa Santiago. Meron din siyang YT YouTube channel. Teresa Santiago. Siya yung nag-encourage sa akin na mag-join sa YouTube, and I want to say thank you kasi she is so patient na tinuruan niya ako sa mga ways na dapat kong malaman in order for me to do my premiere, mga ganon. So tinuruan niya ako lahat to make the proof, anong dapat gawin, ganon. So sa lahat ng patience niya or patience mo, salamat sa mga time na whenever I need you, I need your input, yung kaalaman mo, you are always there to help me. You are just a chat away. Andiyan ka palagi kahit na busy ka. You always take the time to explain to me kung ano ang dapat kong gawin. So I am really thankful and grateful sa friendship, and most of all sa lahat ng tulong mo, dahil kung hindi sa encouragement mo, I would never be where I am today. Oh, ganun. So, thank you, Teresa. You know that I love you, and you know that I really appreciate our friendship. And you know naman na you can always count on me. And I know that I always also can count on you. So, thank you. Next, I would like to say thank you to, sino nga yung pangalan mo, Joke? I wanted to say thank you to Boss Heart kasi napakalaki ng puso niya. He is also always there. Salamat na you became na naging patient ka sa akin. You take the time to teach me. Same thing as Teresa. You're always there to encourage me, to teach me all the things that I need to know. Kahit na paulit-ulit, mali yung mga ginagawa ko. But you are there to correct me and to teach me the things that I need to know so that I would be a better vlogger. Oh, ganun, peace! Salamat, boss, kasi sa tulong mo, I became a good vlogger. Sure. Ano pala? Hindi pala vlogger. I became a good proof maker. Oh, ganon. So, salamat. I really appreciate all the effort, all the knowledge that you have shared with me so that I could do my vlogging and my resibo making more effective and more nice. Salamat. I appreciate it. And next, I would like to say thank you also sa kay Madam Riza. So, Madam Riza, so salamat sa iyo kasi ikaw din yung isa sa mga tao na tumulong sa akin na tinuruan mo ako ng mga bagay-bagay. Hindi ko na isa-isahin. Alam mo na yun, I can always count on you. And if I have mga bagay na hindi ko naintindihan, mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip ko, char, andyan ka palagi na to share your knowledge, share kung ano nalalaman mo. Kahit na busy ka palagi, you always take the time na na tumulong sa mga as what you say sa mga anak mo. You are such a good mother or a shepherd to your flock o ganon. So you are always there. Napaka supportive mo sa aming lahat, and I really appreciate na naging admin kita kasi you're the best. Joke. Pero talaga, totoo naman. Like, everybody say or they say na suplada ka and you're strict and everything. But like for me, you are a good friend as long as you do what is right. At saka nakikinig ako sa mga payo mo, I think wala tayong problema, di ba? Wala tayong problema, di ba? But actually, you are such a good admin kasi nandyan ka palagi to support us. Kahit nagaano ka man ka busy, you always take the time to visit our premiere, ganyan. Andyan ka palagi. And then, if you needed help, you are always there na tulungan kami sa mga tanong na gumugulo sa aming isip. Joke. But I really appreciate all those things na ginagawa mo. And then next, I want to say thank you sa lahat ng nag-check. So, thank you to all of you. Hindi ko na kailangan sabihin kung I don't need to put it in details. Pero salamat sa lahat na ng ginagawa nyo para sa amin. Tinutulungan nyo talaga kami na so that we would be better. Salamat na kung may mga tanong kami, andyan din kayo palagi na ready to answer us. So I am grateful and I'm really thankful. And then sa mga tao naman na nandyan lang sa tabi-tabi, I would like to say thank you to you also. I want to say thank you to Just Jover. I really appreciate your support. Salamat na I am really thankful sa YouTube kasi hindi lang na like it's fun to make videos and to make premieres, but sa akin I really appreciate or I'm really happy for the friendship na I found through this kasi you can like merong mga friends talaga na kahit na hindi man kayo naging na magkakilala face to face ganyan, but then some of you became my very good friends in a short time na you are always there to help me and to encourage me and to give me insight, mga ganon. So I really appreciate all of you guys. So Just Jover, you're one of them. I wanted to say thank you to you. And I also wanted to say thank you sa kay Marie Galve. I really appreciate also all the things that you do or that you did for me to help me. Salamat sa salamat sa time and effort. I really appreciate all of it. I also wanted to say thank you sa kay Nilin and Ken, to Inday Badiday. I want to say thank you to you also. I need to look at my kudigo. I would like to say thank you to Aswang. Thank you, salamat for always being there na support me sa mga premieres ko. Actually, I always look forward to my premiere kasi it's always fun. It can be funny. Wala lang. Parang